Project reports are a fantastic tool for monitoring the progress of your projects. With reports, you can get an overview of how many tasks have been completed, are still in progress, or are pending. Furthermore, you can view the tentative start and end dates for the projects to get an idea of the project timeline. You have the flexibility to view these reports in different formats, including a list view and a graphical view, depending on your preference, where you can also view them in terms of time logged by your team or by the task status in the projects. One of the best things about project reports is that you can view them based on the project or by the user. This means that you can easily see how each team member is contributing to the project's progress. Additionally, you can filter the reports to display specific parameters that are relevant to your needs. For example, you can view the reports between a certain time period, based on the status of the project, or based on a user across different projects. You can view the total amount of billable and non-billable hours logged by your team members. This can be particularly useful if you're managing a project that requires tracking hours worked for billing purposes. If you're a project manager, you may need to prepare quarterly reports to share with your stakeholders or team members. With the project reports, you can easily export these reports into CSV format. This can save you time and effort when preparing reports, allowing you to focus on managing your projects.